Well, FIDELIS aims to establish a network of digital repositories across Europe to support the development and the sustainability of trustworthy digital repositories within the European Open Science Cloud. So basically it has three main objectives. The first is to set up, develop and operate a European network of trustworthy repositories that will support the development and growth of TDRs within the ecosystem. So we will establish this network early on in the project, onboard the first members and equip it with the legal and governance mechanisms to develop itself as a sustainable entity. Second objective is to facilitate interoperability across the repositories. We want the network to further develop and harmonize the concept of TDRs across disciplines. And we want it also to recommend standards, APIs and solutions for seamless access to resources and cross-repository service. Agreeing on definition is the first step, but is not enough. So FIDELIS also want to develop and provide a framework for organizing repositories to support each other in becoming and remaining trustworthy. And this is actually the third objective, which will be implemented through an active training and support program. The network will assist members and aspiring members in their efforts to implement trustworthy and fair enabling practices by developing and providing common frameworks for best practices for research data repositories, policies and workflows. Trustworthy digital repositories play a pivotal role in the research ecosystem by ensuring the secure, long-term preservation and accessibility of digital research objects. They enable seamless sharing, reuse, and citation of research outputs, which is an indispensable foundation for the European Open Science Cloud. And as EOSC continues to expand and mature, the importance of TDRs will only increase, strengthening both the integrity and openness of research data across Europe. FIDELIS aims to enhance the discoverability and interoperability of repositories by standardizing the way they describe their capabilities and services. By fostering a more harmonized approach, FIDELIS will enable more efficient federated search across multiple repositories. And that aligns closely with EOSC's vision of a connected and collaborative research infrastructure. In doing so, FIDELIS has the potential to become a cornerstone of the EOSC federative framework and to further advance the accessibility and usability of research data on a continental scale. Ensuring the sustainability of the network beyond the project lifetime is a core priority of FIDELIS, and this will be achieved mainly through two angles. First, at the organizational level by formalizing the connections between community repositories through a governance framework, and then at financial level through the adoption of a suitable business model for adopting, supporting, and sustaining cost-effective common services for the network. So our approach is to establish the network early on in the project to test and validate its added value and governance structure. By laying the strong foundation for both governance and financial sustainability from the outset, FIDELIS aims to create a lasting impact on the research ecosystem. Our commitment is not just to build a network, but to ensure it develops well beyond the project's duration, fostering collaboration, innovation, and long-term accessibility of research data.